CCTVs, it's open, or how they are self-cleaning type capability, or how it will be?
I need to check.
You are
I don't
adding
know.
CCTV, right?
Yes.
So just put one point, Chairman, in the sandstorm, sand accumulation covering new instruments / CCTVs.
Slash CCTV. Covering instrument slash CCTV.
CCTVs.
Yeah.
So top event will be inadequate instrument damage and inadequate coverage. Okay.
CCTVs are self-cleaning type. But
Self-cleaning
again,
type,
sandstorm can damage.
Yeah. So because what's
Cleaning is different.
no, it's correct, because I mean if there is sandstorm and sandstorm
Can
can
damage,
damage the CCTV, so inadequate coverage. So ultimately asset damage is there, and this is self-cleaning type or how?
CCTVs are self-cleaning type.
Self-cleaning type.
Put one control CCTV as self-cleaning type.
Very good. So I think guys, for this we are okay. And see what lighting is not any tallest tower you are impacting? Any tallest tower?
Which
Santosh?
tower, Chairman?
See, actually, we are worried about the lightning.
Okay, for
arrestor.
lightning. No, we
So
are not
are you
having any
impacting?
tower or something at height. Okay.
Okay. So that means there's no concern, right?
Yes.
No,
I think it's okay. No, it's existing. It's
Yes.
okay.
So since you are not changing or updating any process part, whole surface is not applicable here. No motor, nothing.
No, Chairman. Here, hard surfaces will be applicable, right? Because they are replacing the
storage tank. Storage tank.
Okay. What is temperature? 60 to 150 or more than 150?
It should be 60 to 150. It should not be more than 150.
Right. Replaced.
What is the storage tank I left in?
MOT storage tank and MPS buffer tank.
Okay, replaced.
Okay, so replace piping segments and storage tank, I'm saying.
No, put MOT storage tank, not piping.
Okay, MOT storage tank. That's it only.
And MPS buffer tank.
What exactly you are replacing there?